Okay guys, so we just arrived on site of a house that we added a multi-level rear addition. It's approximately 1,200 square foot. We added out the rear of the house. And this is a young family. They needed more room. They needed more space. They already had the house. It has an addition on the top floor already. It was an old cape. They added an add level years ago. And when they purchased the house, it was already completed. So now that they're outgrowing the house, they need more space. So the only place to go now is out the back or out the side. In this particular case, their option was to go out the back. We added an 18 by 32 foot addition out the back, 2 floors, and we added bedrooms upstairs. We opened up the kitchen, expanded out, and it's a nice little setup. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you the setup on the first and second floors. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. You could follow us. You get all the updates on this particular remodel. We'll be filming this entire project from start to finish. So click on the like, click on the subscribe, and we look forward to you watching our videos. Okay guys, so this is the existing house, and back there from that window back is where we added the new multi-level addition. And you can see we matched up the siding very nicely. And let's go back and show you what it looks like from the back of the house. Let's take a look back here. So they have a nice sized yard. Unfortunately they couldn't go out to the side here. They had to bring everything out this way. It's a very nice size addition. And they have the family room and kitchen on the first floor. They added 2 bedrooms, and the existing master, which is in that front corner, they bumped out into this addition and made a master bathroom off of their master bedroom. So let's go in there. I'll show you what the layout looks like. Okay guys, so we just walked in. This used to be the original kitchen. So you walk off the driveway into the kitchen. The living room, the dining room was existing. All this area was existing. What we did is we opened up this wall right here and bumped out the addition. Now this adds about 650 square foot per floor. And what's happening here is we are going to have a full kitchen from the left side of the slider all the way over to the corner and back all the way over to this area here. That's approximately 20, 30, 40, it's about almost 45 feet of cabinetry. And then they're going to have a large island over there. Over here against this wall, they're going to have a wet bar. And in this area here, they're going to have a family room, gas fireplace, and a little study area. Sorry about the lighting, but we don't have all the lights hooked up right now. In this area here, we're going to have a large 8 foot by 3 foot Eden island. So you'll be able to face the family room from the kitchen. It's a whole open concept for the first floor. This is adding more space, increasing your living area, and look how nice and open this is. Just from there's a little Cape Cod. They had the add level years ago, and now they added all the square footage. Let's go upstairs. We used all the space above us. We put a bedroom on that side, a bedroom on this side, and then over here we bumped out the master bathroom and just made it a lot nicer for the family. So let's go up there, we'll take a look. Okay guys, so we just got to the top of the stairs here, and the original layout was a bedroom over here, and then they had another bedroom over here, and then a bedroom in this front corner. So it's 3 bedrooms, 1 shared bathroom. So now what we did is we took that bedroom over there, we created a hallway, which you've probably heard about many times, created a hallway into the back section, and this room, which is dark right now, is now the laundry. It's a nice size laundry. You're gonna have the washer dryer over there. And as we go down this hall here, we have some lights on this side. So as we go down the hall, now we've increased 2 bedrooms over here, picked up a master bathroom, and in all we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms upstairs. Nice size bedrooms, great living area. Look at all this space that they have here. Bedroom over here, single closet. They have a double closet on that side. Let's walk down the hall. So again, here's your hallway. There's the old bedroom. They created a wall right here. Come down here, and here is the additional bedroom. Nice size closets. And now this used to be the back window for the upstairs bathroom. So that's getting covered up, and they will no longer have a window in there. So again, as we go back through the hallway here, this is the master bedroom. It's existing. You can see they already have a nice ceiling in here, tray ceiling. And then this area right here used to be a walk-in closet. So we shifted it. We shifted the walk-in closet, and still a large closet, but now right over here is where we increased, and the wall used to be right here. So the walk-in closet used to be from here over to this area right over here. And what we did is we moved the wall, created this master bathroom, custom shower. Is going to be a soak tub right over here, a toilet, and a double sink all in this space. So now the master bedroom picks up this bathroom space. They pick up an additional bedroom and more living space for everybody. It's just a bigger house now for a growing family in New Jersey.